In recent years, the need for reed switches has naturally focused on a stable supply and low cost. The demand for a diversified selection of increasingly small sizes, high function, and high reliability reed switches continues to grow. Kofu Reed Switches, a Standex Electronics Japan brand, formerly known as OKI Reed Switches, is a specialty manufacturer of reed switches and related devices that was built on the foundation to meticulously meet the demands of its customers.
我が社はワールドワイドナンバーワンシェアを持つリードスイッチを主力製品とし、その応用製品であるリードセンサーの開発、設計、製造、販売を目指し事業活動を行っております。お客様との信頼関係をモットーとして、お客様のニーズに合った独自商品を提供することで社会に貢献すること、社員一人一人の実性を尊重し、会社の発展と社員の成長と幸せを築くこと、また企業活動のあらゆる面においてその社会的責任を果たす、すなわち環境への配慮をもとより社会的公正、倫理にかなった行動を行っていくことを企業理念として、小さくても強いグローバルな会社を目指し事業活動を行っております。
In 1966, Standex Electronics Japan developed the reed switch for telephone switchboards. This was their start in the reed switch business. Working in cooperation with their customers, Kofu Reed Switches rapidly improved in functionality and reliability. With the establishment of their proprietary mass production technology, which enabled them to keep their costs low, they expanded rapidly due to an increase in demand for the automobile and home electronics markets. Then in 1996, Standex Electronics Japan branched off from OKI and formed its own independent company. With our proprietary manufacturing technology, cutting-edge manufacturing facilities, and diverse product lineup, our goal is to continue the legacy of Standex Electronics Japan for future generations. We will do this by continuing to challenge ourselves with new product development and new manufacturing technology development so that we can provide our customers with high-quality reed switches and associated products to support them in producing superior products. Furthermore, by providing products our customers can trust and use with confidence, Standex Electronics Japan quality became distinguished and we soon expanded overseas. Over the following years, we eventually reached the world's top rank in sales, which we maintain today. What exactly are reed switches? Reed switches contain a powerful magnetic part called the reed blade, which sits inside a glass tube that is sealed on both sides. The switch is turned on or off when the strength of the magnetic field on the outside causes the contact points to either come into contact or separate. The contact point is composed of gold that is plated with either rhodium or platinum group metal. It is then sealed in a glass tube filled with inert gas to preserve the contact points. It is completely isolated from the outside so that it is not affected by severe atmospheric conditions and is activated solely by magnetic force. Since its structure is very simple and long-lasting, it can be used in many fields that demand high reliability. We have a wide array of devices to meet our customers' needs, ranging from those with a low voltage signal level to those with high breakdown or high power. In addition, we also offer proximity switches, which are employed in such devices as gas meters, water meters, and hot water heaters. Reed switches are used in automotive sensors and IC testers, industrial gas, sewer, and electric meters, and the household appliances, security sensors, health devices, and leisure goods that are a daily part of our lives. They demand a long lifespan, superior quality, and high reliability. Reed switches, with their high reliability, help keep us safe through their use in many automobile sensors and areas that are unseen to us, such as the brake lamp sensor, brake oil sensor, engine system temperature sensor, seat belt detection sensor, and the airbag system's collision detector. The contact points have superior corrosion resistance and abrasion resistance and can open and close reliably over a long lifespan. As a result, proximity switches and reed relays can be easily and inexpensively built with a combination of permanent magnets and coils. That's why they are used in gas, sewer, and electric meters. Furthermore, due to their small size, low weight, and water resistance, they are also found in refrigerators, washing machines, hot water heaters, humidifiers, rice cookers, and other household electronics that are a daily part of our lives. Standex Electronics Japan's Kofu plant is located in Kofu City in Yamanashi Prefecture near the World Heritage Site of Mount Fuji. Amidst this beautiful city, the production line consists of 3 buildings, K1, K2, and the inspection building. Next, let's take a look at the processes involved in the manufacture of the highly reliable reed switch that Standex Electronics Japan is known for. The reed blades, which create the contact points of the reed switch, are made by pressing permalloy wire in a hoop-shaped tray. The automatic pressing machine punches out 20 reed blades per second, repeatedly pressing and cutting the permalloy wire with the precision of just 1 micron. Contact plating is one of the most important steps in the manufacturing of reed switches and can alter their properties greatly. The automatic plating machine sequentially manages the pre-processing, the initial plating, contact plating, cleaning, and drying in order to achieve high-precision plating. The automatic plating machine was designed in-house and is one of the main factors that allow us to manufacture high-quality reed switches. Sealing is the process in which the pressed and plated reed blades are assembled with glass tubes and formed into reed switches. Strict management is required at all times during this process. When the glass tubes are sealed, the temperature reaches approximately 1,000 degrees centigrade, and so in addition to being extremely strict in our choice of glass materials, we employ an automatic sealing method of our own design. It is this manufacturing process that enables us to create reed switches of superior quality. In order to ensure reed switches of the highest possible quality, the entirety of the manufacturing process is done in a clean room environment, with the utmost efforts to eliminate any impurities that may arise.
私たちはお客様に満足していただける一等品質のリードスイッチをお届けするために、材料・薬品の受け入れ検査から各工程での品質検査および完成検査を責任を持って実施しています。
During operation, the dip soldering machine automatically guides the reed switches as they sit on the conveyor belt. In consideration of environmental factors, no lead is used in the soldering process. All of the completed reed switches are inspected by our own special screening system for their characteristics, magnetic grains, and other small particles, with great efforts made to improve the system's overall reliability. The manufacturing system and inspection equipment used in these processes were designed and developed in-house and allow us to safely and quickly mass-produce the highly reliable reed switches that Kofu Reed Switches is famous for. Since virtually each process is automated, we can provide a stable supply while at the same time keeping costs low and thereby satisfy our customers from a price standpoint as well. In order to provide satisfying products to customers all over the world, Standex Electronics Japan first fully investigates the customer's requested features and the application requirements, environment, and conditions. Then we decide upon the material, scale, and construction before finally confirming the design, manufacturing technology, and the required procedures and settling on a development program. Furthermore, we perform repeated evaluations of the properties and reliability of the completed prototype. While confirming the properties and reliability, we also evaluate the stability and capabilities of the processes involved. In this way, Standex Electronics Japan applies its quality management system, which includes development, design, and production based upon ISO 9001 to the provision of reed switches and related products, and to the thorough implementation of quality assurance. Starting in 2004, Standex Electronics Japan began sales of lead-free reed switches in order to become an early supporter of environmentally friendly practices. Furthermore, we also began to gather information regarding other environmentally damaging substances in order to take proactive countermeasures against them. For the future, we intend to continue to make improvements and work toward further raising our quality. Also, as a member of Standex Electronics Japan, we have clearly defined our guiding principle of green procurement, and in order to gain further cooperation from our customers, have enacted green procurement standards. In order to provide our customers with high-quality reed switches, we continue to challenge ourselves with new product development and new manufacturing technology development. With our technology, cutting-edge manufacturing facilities, and diverse product lineup, our goal is to continue the legacy of Kofu Reed Switches for many more generations. Adapting to an ever-changing world market to become a leading company.